Clever Devices AVM has allowed us to create a greater transparency, I would say, between my fleet maintenance and the OEMs, probably the best way I can put it. Prior to AVM, we would connect with our laptops, whatever DLA we need component based on the manufacturer, and we would download the codes. We'd have a check engine light for an engine problem. That check engine light comes on, is triggered by the OEM, the manufacturer, on their TCU or ECU. Sometimes that's after 10 faults or until a certain range is met. So we wouldn't see the problem until that critical failure occurred. With AVM, we're able to see the progression of a possibility of a fault, how many times it has been occurring. So in a scenario that occurred to us, we were having a problem with an engine. The fault was there, and then we were able to print out the history from AVM and show the manufacturer that this problem is occurring in the vehicle. We wouldn't have seen it with our normal laptop information because the failure hadn't gone to a critical where we would see a check engine light. So this created that transparency where we can give it back to the OEM and claim the warranty so that they can take care of the problem, again, prior to it failing. I'd rather have a vehicle repaired ahead of time and not when the failure exists. So, without AVM, that would not be possible.